Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a dish called a broccoli bowl rice. I remember seeing this recipe on Instagram a few months back, and today I decided to give a try. Many of you have been asking me that what makes me, be inside the kitchen, right? I mean, despite my wife being a great chef, sometimes, I won't say sometimes, but it's the daily question that we both get from our son whenever we pick him from the school. The very first question that he has is, what is there, for the lunch today, right? Same goes in the evening time, right? After the playtime, he comes and asks, what is there, what is the yummiest thing that you are making today for the dinner, right? So it's very hard to make yummy things on daily basis. So me and my wife always try to prepare something yummy or out of the book that goes beyond the daily average meals, right? So this recipe caught my eye. It's very easy to make. All you need is a broccoli. You just need to clean and wash it, and then boil it for a few minutes. And after that, you need some cottage cheese, which is also called paneer in Hindi. Uh, so just make fine cubes of the paneer, and put both the paneer and the boiled broccoli in a blender, along with a few pieces of garlic, right? Make a fine paste, and just a creamy paste will do. Like a mushroom soup, right? I mean, not too watery, but yeah, you just add the water as per the quantity, and make a fine paste out of it. Yeah, something just like this. Yeah. All right, so once the cream is ready, you can take a small pan and take a tablespoon of oil, add capsicum and the corn, um, followed by a small spoon of black pepper powder, and just fry it for a few minutes, and then you can add the chili flakes, and fry again for a few minutes. All right, now I think we can add the creamy paste of broccoli and the cottage cheese. So once that is done, you can stir it for a few minutes, and do add some salt as per the taste. Remember, we had added salt earlier while making the paste, so you'll have to be careful on the overall quantity of the salt, right? Alright, so once it starts boiling, you can turn off the gas and keep it aside. Now let's move towards the rice, right? So for rice, I haven't done anything special. You can just take a couple of teaspoons of ghee, followed by a little bit of cumin, and you can then just add the rice and fry it a bit. Alright, so our rice is ready. You can just make a base layer of the rice, make a plain layer so that you can just make another layer of the creamy paste that we have made of broccoli and cottage cheese, right? So once the rice base is ready, you can then pour the creamy paste on it and make another layer of it. Alright, so the broccoli rice ball is almost ready. Don't forget to uh, top that up with mozzarella cheese. It will taste even better, right? So do give me your feedback in the comment section. This is my very first food vlog, and I'm planning to make a few more in future. So your feedback will be really appreciated. Thank you so much for watching.